So pineapple weed. Now, I really wish I would have had this essence when I was growing up because I was clumsy. I wasn't grounded. I was always checking to see if gravity was working. So there was a lack of harmony between my physical body and my environment, my surroundings. Pineapple weed is to increase awareness of the lower half of the body and specifically increase awareness of how you're interacting and connecting with the physical planet. So we often do an exercise with this essence where you ask the person, stand up and feel your feet and feel the physical planet, and then take some pineapple weed and notice how that changes. And people say it's like, well, before I thought I was standing on the earth, but I felt like I was coming down like this. So this has a very special signature. One of the parts is that it grows on paths and like around schoolyards and areas where people are walking. When you step on it or crush it, it releases this beautiful fragrance of pineapple. So when I first met pineapple weed, I was a little bit concerned for it. That's the kind of person I am. You know, you're growing where you're being driven on and walked on and crushed. And the pineapple weed said, well, yeah, of course we are. That's where people need us. And I said, so you don't mind? No, that's our purpose. And when people walk on us or drive on us or whatever, then we get to release our scent. So it gave me a whole new understanding. So even though they didn't know it, those children that were running along through the pineapple weed, it was helping them become more harmonious in their bodies. So the energy of pineapple weed is feminine earth energy coming up. Say this is your foot, it's coming up right to the bottom of where your feet are and saying, I'm here to support you.